auctioneers that are taking our vehicles without the due process. Just because of the small court cases that are coming up without us as investors being informed about those cases. So we are fighting our vehicles being taken by auctioneers on our stages or when they are on their way, barabara, and we are wondering why, and we are not being informed. So we are coming.
Matatu. People you have loaning.
No, auction. Yeah. Okay. For example, maybe you can explain. Yeah.
Number one is the issue of insurance.
Yes.
So on the insurance issue,
you have taken insurance with company.
Yes.
Then in the course of the year, before you take
insurance, you take memorandum about tunataka present those two CSS na idio vile imeandikwa.
And hiyo nataka kwenda kitu hapa. Nataka kwa sita.
Kenya Matatu tuko na memorandum tutapatia sababu nazo kama industry sawa lakini tisi yake ndio mwendelee kwa
bana mlango hata kwa tutafuta tukufuta
watu very organized bana kuna mlango
hata ndio huyo amekuja
We are a movement of Matatu, and we wanted to present to you a memorandum of some of the grievances we have.
Yes.
So that's why
you have the memorandum.
Yes, we have it. Yes, we have it.
Just tell me briefly what is it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us your time. We are very humble there. We have a problem with the leaders of Matatu, whereby we have, like for example, the insurance companies go under, and having the covers, after they have gone under, our vehicles are being crammed and taken to police station, processed and all that, and there is no due process. So we are asking, for example, like if a cover has been suspended because of insurance going under, as an investor, what am I supposed to do? So we are coming to complain about that. We have also have auctioneers that are taking our vehicles without the due process, just because of the small court cases that are coming up without us as investors being informed about those cases. So we are fighting our vehicles being taken by auctioneers on our stages or when they are on their way, barabara, and we are wondering why, and we are not being informed. So we are coming.
Matatu. People you have loaning.
No, auction. Yeah. Okay. For example, maybe you can explain. Yeah.
Number one is the issue of insurance.
Yes. So on the insurance issue,
you have taken insurance with company.
Yes.
Then in the course of the year, before you take
insurance, you take monthly.
You take monthly.
Yes.
So in the process, the insurance company has gone under.
Yes.
You have no idea whether it's gone under.
Yes.
and even why.
So now, when the police officers catch you, they're saying you don't have insurance.
Yes.
And on the same issue on the insurance, you find that it is call them ambulance chasers. They are always stationed at the police stations. When a vehicle is involved in an accident, immediately, even without the owner or the circle knowing whatever kind of an accident is, maybe the matter was dealt with at the police station, you find that somebody goes to the small claims courts and launches a case, and within 3 months that case is heard and determined without even the knowledge, 60 days ago, without the knowledge of the investor. So when you're at work, you find auctioneers at your door. They say that this vehicle must be towed because there's a claim of this amount. When we go to the insurance company to settle that claim, the insurance can even if the vehicle, the value of the vehicle is 5 million, the insurer approves for something like 300,000.
By 3 or so people among you to come and see me on Friday. Okay? We can have a meeting on Friday at 9. Okay? So get 3 of you. But just quickly, on the issue of insurance companies, maybe we'll discuss it more. So the regulator is not doing their work properly. So this will attack from the regulator point of view. The issue of insurance companies and the claims, I'll see maybe the regulator also falls in here, but this would have also been directed to the interior. But we'll see, we are one government anyway. Not being consulted on major policy decisions like fuel levy. Fuel levy is actually under transport, the Ministry of Infrastructure. So they are in a position to answer this. It is a levy, but it is not coming from Treasury. So they are in a position to answer you better. On eco levy, I want to put it clear on record that we are not bringing that levy back as Treasury. Yeah, I think someone has been running around with it for reasons I don't know. The only question I asked when I was asked about it is, as the multinationals said why they don't want it, because we also have an environment to protect. But I didn't say that we are going to bring eco levy. Eco levy is not among the proposals that are before me. My team has worked on what was in the finance bill of 2024. We have knocked off any issue which was contentious, including eco levy. So the issues that we are bringing today are those which were not contested. So we want to start there. However little we raise out of that, but the most important thing is to reform our tax system. So most of those, actually all the issues that we are bringing back didn't have any contention. Anything that had a contention, whether from a minority, we have put them pending, including eco levy, so that you can go back to sleep comfortably, that we don't have eco levy coming. But what I've taken from your concerns, largely, is that our public engagement should be more. Okay? So that whenever we are coming up with any policy, including those tax proposals, that we should also find a way of getting your input, because you are a major stakeholder or contributor to stakeholder in the economy, and a serious contributor towards the transport sector. Even employment. I know that. So let me get three of you. One, yes, I know it is the Insurance Regulatory Authority. So I need to get back to my technical team and tell them how can we address this issue, so that when you come on Friday, I have something substantive to tell you.
Thank you.
Sawa.
Thank you.
So between now and Friday, I have no answer.
Maybe,
on Friday, I may have answer. Yes.
Maybe in the meantime, because we have vehicles that are already on the road with those covers, and they are being confiscated by the policemen, what do we do?
You know, the problem is I have no authority over the police. If I was Kindiki or IG, well, let me see if I can contact my colleague.
On the communication from IRA. That is the
from Insurance Regulatory Authority. Well, I'll try to see if this afternoon, when I come back, I can talk to IRA and tell them your concern, and tell them that we are trying to have some engagement by Friday. I need answers from him, from IRA, and then I engage you. But in the meantime, if there's something they can do to put a stop to that, they stop. Is that okay?